Okay, there are many reviews and this one is mine. This is just going to be an unboxing for the DJI Mic 3. I know this is pretty much new out. I am not an influencer or anything, so I definitely didn't get a review copy. Got this a few days ago from Amazon because, of course, here in the good old United States of America, because of things, you can't get them from the DJI store, so I'm just lucky enough I can get it from Amazon, even though I had to pay taxes. You know, you get them from DJI, you don't have to pay taxes, and who knows, maybe if they ever return, they may go get revenge and start charging us taxes, because I know other companies like Xtool, even though they don't have to charge us taxes for grins and giggles and claim they have to. Actually, they do not. That is bunk. You only have to charge taxes if you have a presence in a state. In my state, they do not have a presence, and yet they charge taxes because they can, which means I know for a fact they are putting the money in their pockets. I've seen other people outright lie and put money in their pockets, but we ain't doing that. So we got ourselves a little baggie here, which at some point I'm sure I'm going to be able to find something nice on Amazon that will replace this. Got the little DJI logo, and of course our booklet with looks like some DJI stickers in it. I ain't gonna open this just yet. Okay, let's open this sucker up. And we have, as you've probably seen 1,000 other times, because there are many other reviews by people who receive these for free, I paid for mine. We got our Windscreens. I'm gonna go ahead and take them out and put a couple back. So we got black and we got gray. This time around, I'm gonna go with black. Seems to match with most things. On my DJI Mic 2s, I have nothing right now. These are my Mic 2s. This is what the little set that I have down here for my quote-unquote studio. I'm just doing this video on my phone. And, you know, you can't keep the muffs on here. But fortunately, from what I understand, I can keep them on here, on this one here, like I can on the Mini. And to be honest, I got the Mini and I never really used it. So let's see here what we got. So, And this one, we got our USB-C. And we have our, I'm assuming that's a TRRS. And here are two magnetos. I'll leave those in for now. And of course they snap together. Why wouldn't they snap together? And we got our case and some silicone. And we'll just put it over here. It says do not eat, so I'll keep it away from the dog, because I don't have the money to get his butt fixed if he eats it. I don't know if it's really deadly. Who knows? Slide her on back. And I have the Mini, but I don't know where it's at. I know where it's at, but I don't know where it's at. I have a general direction of where it's at, but, you know, not exactly. So, ooh, wow, look at this. I don't know if you can see it. It actually says Mic 3 on top. Maybe that's to keep it from being confused with the Mic Mini. And I don't remember if the Mic Mini had Mic Mini on top or not. Hopefully that did something where you could see it. Let's do some comparisons here. So we got our DJI, little thin metal. Huh. They seem about the same. Let me go grab a scale. Here's the DJI Mic 2. It looks like reading upside down. 300 and now it's 300. 301. Let's call it 302. And now we put this one on, and it is, we'll call it 225. That's why I just got a new scale. I just brought this one up because, and Okay, so let's look at differences in size. So from the top, and from the sides. Oh, wait, is that thicker or the same size? Looks like the same from this direction here. Okay, and even the bottom, you see that's the little pads there a little different. So, okay, so we don't have a full charge here. That's probably why I didn't see it. I did the mic 3 like individual earlier today. Then I decided to go ahead and do this one. Yeah, because I was wondering, because you don't, I may as well just pull this out to show you. So, man, I wish I could find the dadgum mini. I know where it's at, but I don't know where it's at. I know the general direction of where it's at with a whole bunch of other crap. I need to organize my crap. So you don't have a USB C on here, so you charge and download from the case. So, well, yeah. So, I mean, it's pretty simple. Pull this baby out. This is magnetic here. Just pops right on. I wonder, can you do it upside down? Oh, you can. You can go upside down with it. I ain't even try that on it. It works on all 4 sides. Ain't that something? Okay. So you got a little clip here. You can clip it on. I'm just gonna clip it on my watch. Yeah, see? Nice little clip on. I'll test the sound. That'll be a different video. Maybe I'll test all 3 and maybe do it up against the road. I got too many damn mics. And drop this baby back in. So let's see here. And fortunately for us, it does come with the USB. Let me see if it's the same type as on the, and it is not. So you cannot, like if you have with the Mic 3, because the Mini, it didn't come with the one for the iPhone, the Lightning. So you're gonna have to come up with your own. See, it has, this one has more connectors, so I don't think it'll work. Because it didn't, and I didn't even think about it. I was like, maybe I could just make this work with the Mini. But I thought I checked it for the Mini because I didn't do a review on it. Dang. Okay, so I ain't gonna be able to do that, but I still do have some. But I never get rid of my own old iPhones. But when the 16 came out, I didn't get it because it was like, it didn't upgrade enough for me. So I got like a plethora of them, and I'm not sure about the 17. They got to really show me something on it. So I'm supposed to be able to keep the case closed with these on there, which they do on the Mini, which I never did a review on. Okay. And she closes. Now what you can do on this one is you can have the little magnet on here. It didn't seem like you could have the magnet on here and here, so let's see what happens. Right there. That's a little holder for it. Hold up. Hold on. Let me put everything in here and see if this works. Because I ain't pulled them instructions out, man. I'm doing this country style. Let's see here. So put these babies on here. I put this here baby on here. Which way did it go? Goes like this. Oh, sookie now. Woo, hold on, wait a minute. From what I understand, you can put this in here too. So I can have this for my camera. Or as us old black folks say, Canberra. Hold on. I may be forced to open that damn instruction. Hold on. I think this goes, I don't know about the USB, but that stays kind of coiled. Oh man, hold on. Put that in there. Now it ain't closing. Okay, I'm gonna open these instructions. Let me see. Now find out if that's a sticker or not. It's a sticker. I don't know what it's supposed to mean. It says memory card and all that stuff on it. Let's see here. Got safety guidelines and stuff. It shows where everything's supposed to kind of go. Let me hold that a little bit longer. Like, let me hold $5. I got 5 on it. That goes there. These go on here. What about the magnets? If I take the magnets out, I wonder if that'll help. I'm just trying to see, because for the most part, maybe I just need to unravel it more or something. Let's see if I put it in here. Yeah, it does fit, but kind of jumbles out. I think those magnets go here because it's magnetic and you can feel it. They don't go anyplace else. They're just flopping around. But you can see how they fit. I don't know if that's intentional or if I just made them fit. Let's go ahead and look at the receiver for a second. So you can charge the receiver. Looks like you can charge the receiver by itself, but also I think they do that because like on the, I don't know if any of you ever done this before, but on the Mic 2, you can use it for your computer. And oh crap. Okay, let's just mess around with this for a second. So it's got a little screw thing here. So let's see if it's where it screws in at. So I don't know why it's got the screw thing at in here. Because I know like on the newer Rodes, it's got the screw so it doesn't like get pulled out. But this thing just seems to float there. I don't see any threads on it, inside or out. And to use this to hook it up to like your phone, if you want to do that instead of using Bluetooth, you can't just pull this out like you can on this one. Because on this one, you just pull it like this. Got a little safety catch over here for this one. Got to push that down and then do it. And same thing for the set, pulling it out. Let's see here. And for grins and giggles, I'm so ticked off right now. How do I just reset that? Just see if this fits. Oh no, it's not even gonna fit in there. It's wider. So yeah, those grins and giggles are gone. And since it doesn't have it in here, or any of this other stuff, Charlotte should have brought down another phone since I talked about having so many dang phones. Let's see. I swear I saw in one of the reviews where somebody just had the entire thing in here. Because it's just all coiled. Maybe if I did it like this or something. Nope, just wants to coil back up. I'll figure it out. As long as getting that thing back to danging in English. Maybe the thing's not made to have those in there. That would be handy. See if I take those out and see, they don't even like stick. This doesn't even stick there. And it's actually, I mean, it closes. It's just that when you do that, it's like, well, see, they stick there too. There's got to be a way. I'm just gonna call this King's X and go look at another review myself. But this was a review from a guy who paid for it out of his own dang pocket. Okay, and I got the Eufy Make look printer coming soon. Hopefully it gets here one day, and hopefully you get to see a review on it.